Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your Windows edition and picking the wallpaper type you want. Once done, decide if built-in options suffice or if a third-party tool is required. Install the chosen app and run it as administrator so it can modify system settings and audio behavior. You're taking these steps to ensure compatibility and permissions up front. Next, open Settings and the downloaded app. You'll move quickly into importing your media and assigning it as the desktop background. Now import your content into the chosen app and preview it. You'll drag a video or GIF into the library, then use the app's playback and performance settings to balance visuals versus CPU/GPU load. Make sure to set loop and mute options as desired. This prevents audio conflicts and unexpected battery draw. Assign the media to a specific display if you have multiple monitors, and adjust scaling or fit so the image isn't cropped. These steps control both appearance and system impact. Finish by applying the wallpaper and confirming it appears on your desktop. Some apps let you also set the lock screen. Make sure the app is allowed to auto-start so the wallpaper persists after reboot, and toggle any background service options to keep it active. If the wallpaper doesn't show, update GPU drivers, close other customization programs, and reduce the app's performance settings. This often resolves conflicts. If needed, run the tool as administrator and reapply the wallpaper to force the change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.